Hey family, today we're opening this up. We're going to show you guys exactly what you get in this kit. That way you are prepared. So it comes with a very nice manual. And this manual goes step-by-step guide to setting it up. So I love that. And it's large too, so it's not like small fine print. You can easily see everything. That's awesome. Of course, you're going to get all the bolts and brackets, even zip ties that you're going to need, including your air lines and connectors, which is nice. You will get all your mounting brackets. As we can see, high quality steel. Very nice. So it's not that lower quality aluminum that some brands like to give. Again, all the parts come nice and protected, which is awesome. It's good that the brand actually cares about that. Here's the bag itself. Now there are two. Seems to be made of high quality. So this definitely is a nice little kit.